everyone, Savannah here, and today I am at Michael's and they have their spring collection out as well as their Easter stuff, so I'm going to be taking you along today. So here they have a cute little carrot welcome sign, and this is $17 here. And then there are other signs like this. This one says Bunny Trail, and then this one says Somebody Loves You, and the price for this is $15 each. And then down here they have another sign. It says Happy Easter, Egg Hunt, Carrot Patch, Bunny Crossing, Jelly Bean Lane, and the price for this sign here is $25. And then they have some more little signs. This one says welcome, and the price for this is $17 as well. And they have these cute little bunny stands, and let's see the price on this, $15. Then they have these little egg bunny looking things with little metal ears, and these here are $7 each. And then they have another sign here. It's pink and it says Happy Easter, and the price for this is $20. And then I love this sign here. It's a metal sign and it says Bunny Trail, Hop This Way, and this sign here is $30. And then they just have bunnies up there as well as this wreath. And then there's also these little egg wreaths here. Then this one is just the same. And then some more little signs. Happy Spring with bunnies on them. Then over here, there's just some garland of sorts. And then just some spring decor. And then they have some mesh here. You could probably use to make like your own DIY wreaths. And then just Easter baskets. I think this little bunny is super cute right here. And the price for this is $130. And then they just have some signs like to put in your garden or outside. These are super cute. This one says welcome with a little truck. And the price for this is $20. And then another little bunny. How cute is this? And it's $130 as well. And then they have some more baskets over here. I really love these. I think it is so cute with a little bunny face. And these are $20. And then look at these with the cute little bunnies as well. And it's a little bit more, it's $30. They just have some more with the bunnies too. And these are a little carrot basket, which is cute. And then some more carrots here. And I really love these little decorations. It's so cute. Little bunnies driving a carrot. And the price for this is $20. I think these are so cute. I love this one with the little sunglasses on it. Then there's some more bunnies up here. And there's more as well. And then we just have some little small bunnies. And then these little hedgehog looking things. Price for this is $15. And then these little bunnies are priced at $10. And then there's some other little bunnies here. So cute. I guess one mom bunny with a little bunny. And then the price for this is $50. So those are some of their bunnies over here. And then over here they just have little Easter signs. A sign that says spring. The price for this Easter sign is $13. And I think these are cute. These little trees with little Easter eggs, $13. And then they just have some more bunnies over here. And these are priced at $40 each. And then just some more spring decor. Have these little Easter eggs here with fun little patterns. $15. And then just some signs. This one says Happy Easter, one says Welcome Spring. And these are priced at $19. And then they just have some more spring decor over here. Little heart thing for Valentine's Day. And this is their spring collection. And then over in this section, they have their wood crafts for Easter. You can just paint these little signs here. This one says Happy Easter. And this one is priced at $10. And then here we have, these are cute, just these mini bunnies where you could probably make like your own garland or tie them to something. They come in a 10 pack. And these here are, I'm not sure what the price is for this. Oh, $5. Priced at $5. Then they have these Easter eggs as well with the same tie there. These are also $5. And then they have these cute little bunnies where it says Happy Easter. It actually lights up, I guess, which is cool. And let's see the price on this. Oh, there's a light there. The price on this is $15. And then they also have a cross with butterflies and flowers. I'm assuming it's the same price. 15, yep. And then they have this cute little ice cream shop. This one says coffee shop. And this one also lights up. And it is $10. And then there's also this cute little bunny here where you could paint. And this one is priced at $20. And there's also these little Easter eggs where you could paint as well. These are $10 here. And then there's some Easter baking things as well. There's these little sticks where you can like put in cupcakes or cakes if you wanted to. They're all $2. Then here there are some cutouts. This one is just a bunny, a butterfly, Easter eggs, a flower, and then here's like a carrot and a small bunny. And then there's also some little treat bags where you can put your goodies in. And these are $3. And then here are just some little baking cups. One has like an egg. This one says Happy Easter. And then these are just a flower print. And then there's all these little things as well. Here is this little cookie tray where you can make all these fun little shapes for your cookies. And the price for this, there's no price, it doesn't say. And then there's also this little bunny pan. I have this at home, and it's really helpful if you're going to make like a bunny cake or anything like that. And there's no price on this as well. And then here they just have some Easter egg molds where you can probably do like little cookies or small little cakes if you wanted to. And then they have these cute little cookie cutters that come in this little Easter egg. You probably get these different shapes like a bunny, a butterfly, a flower, another bunny, and a duck. I think that's so cute. And then here's just their little Easter spring baking collection.